Hello dear student, I am going to start anti-Markovnikov rule or Kras effect or peroxide effect. Anti-Markovnikov rule CH3 CH double bond CH2. Name of this compound propene. This is unsymmetrical alkene. Addition of HBr in the presence of organic peroxide. H positive, Br negative. CH3 C. Negative part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and carry more number of hydrogen, and positive part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and also carry lesser number of hydrogen. Then product CH3 CH2 CH2Br. Name of this product is bromopropane. This effect just anti of Markovnikov concept, then it is called anti-Markovnikov rule. This effect apply only in the presence of organic peroxide, then it is called peroxide effect. This effect discovered by the Kras and Mayo in 1933, then it is called Kras and Mayo effect. Again, CH3 CH double bond CH2 unsymmetrical alkene plus HBr. Where carries slight negative charge, H carries slight positive charge. In the presence of benzoyl peroxide C6H5CO benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide. The negative part of attacking reagent always attack and attach according Kras and Mayo. Negative part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and also carry more number of hydrogen, and positive part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and also carry lesser number of hydrogen. Then product here CH3 CH H C H H Br. Bromopropane. This is the addition of halo acid on unsymmetrical alkene. Again, according Kras and Mayo, in the presence of the organic peroxide, negative part of attacking reagent always attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and also carry more number of hydrogen, and also positive part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and carry lesser number of hydrogen. This is called anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect. This effect discovered by the Kras and Mayo, then it is called Kras and Mayo effect, peroxide effect. Mechanism of these reactions. Benzoyl peroxide C6H5 CO O O CO C6H5. The bond breaking in the pattern of homolytic C6H5 CO, and this oxygen carry is one free electron. It means the formation of free radical. Again C6H5 CO, and this oxygen carry is one unpaired electron and behave as a free radical. Then the bond between carbon and CO is breakdown in the pattern of homolytic, then formation of phenyl free radical. This is a initiator of these reactions, and product here CO2, carbon dioxide, and this is a phenyl free radical or initiator represented by the IN. Initiator C6H5 react with attacking reagent HBr and formation of benzene. The bond between the HBr is also breaking in the pattern of homolytic and formation of C6H6 and bromine free radical, because the bond between H and V are breaking in the pattern of homolytic. Vr behave as a free radical. It means peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov or Krasnow effect mechanism progress by the free radical. CH3 CH double bond CH2 propene. First is addition of bromine free radical on unsymmetrical propene. The pi bond is also breaking in the pattern of homolytic CH3 C H CH2. Each carbon carries one unpaired electrons, and this is bromine is also carries one free electrons unpaired form. Then carbon carries one electrons, bromine is also carry one electrons. What is capable to making new bond between carbon and halogen, then formation of secondary free radical. And this step is a exothermic in a nature, and enthalpy change is minus 42 kilojoule per mole. Then this step is a favorable for the process, and formation of secondary free radical CH3 CH CH2 and Vr. Second molecules of HBr is also breaking in the pattern of homolytic. This hydrogen is carry one electron and also bromine carry one electron after the cleavage. Then hydrogen, which we have as a electrophile, attack and attach कार्बन विच कैरी इज वन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. देखिए जो HBr था इसका होमोलिटिक क्लीवेज होगा, हाइड्रोजन के पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा, एक कार्बन के पास था, दोनों ने मिलकर एक बॉन्ड बना लिया एंड CH2Br and formation of ब्रोमो प्रोपेन। इसका मीन्स निकला कि इसकी जो मैकेनिज्म होती है वह फ्री रेडिकल से प्रोग्रेस करती है। अगेन CH3 CH double bond CH2 unsymmetrical alkene addition of halo acid HBr. Br carries slight negative charge, H carries slight positive charge. These reactions progress in the presence of peroxide. According Kras and Mayo, the negative part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon carry more number of hydrogen and also bonded with double bond, and positive part of attacking reagent attack and attach which carbon bonded to multiple bond and carry lesser number of hydrogen. Then formation of CH3 CH2 CH2Br. This effect discovered was Kras and Mayo, then it is called Kras and Mayo effect. This is called Kras and Mayo effect or peroxide effect, and formation of bromopropane. तो ये जो इफेक्ट है हमेशा आपका इफेक्ट किसी ऑर्गेनिक पेरोक्साइड की प्रेजेंसी में होगा, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं, पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट। और ऑलवेज जो आपका फॉर्मेशन होगा ये कौन सा हैलाइड है, दिस इज प्राइमरी हैलाइड। मार्कोनिक आप में कौन सा बनता है, ऑलवेज सेकेंडरी हैलाइड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।